Well, hey, I got Nick Rutter from McKee's 37 in the shop with me today. Nick, how you doing, man?
Dennis, great to see you again.
Yeah, man, it's good to have you back. You know, McKee's 37 may be a new name to the market, but it's certainly not a new name to car care.
Well, the McKee name carries a lot of heritage, Dennis, because Bob McKee created AutoGeek.
Indeed, he did.
Not only did he create AutoGeek, but he's also known as the founder or co-founder of Pinnacle Car Care, Blackfire, Wolfgang Concours series.
A lot of great brands. I mean, this guy knows his stuff.
He knows surface care enhancement.
He does indeed. And so he's got a whole new line under his own name, the McKee's 37 line.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do today? What are we going to do to my Jaguar?
Well, Dennis,
that's the important part.
as a problem-solving company,
yes,
we're going to solve an issue that plagues everyone with the vehicle, and that's glass care.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do to it? I mean, we're not just going to hit it with a glass cleaner and wipe it off, I would imagine.
We're going to do a lot more than that.
We're going to do a lot more than that.
But it starts with a high-quality glass cleaner, Dennis, and that's going to be our Crystal Vision Glass Cleaner.
Okay.
No alcohol, no ammonia. There's a special non-ionic surfactant that does one thing: cleans, streak-free. Real easy to use. You spray it on.
Okay.
Then you want to use a waffle weave glass towel.
Is that a microfiber towel, or is there is it fabric?
It is a microfiber. It's a waffle weave design. It's part of our total glass care kit, and it leaves the glass streak-free.
Oh, actually, that's better already.
That's just step one.
That's just step one. But wait, there's more.
But
right?
wait, there's more. Step two is going to be our high-performance glass restore. Now, this is arguably the most important step because what this does is it deep cleans the glass. It's going to remove water spots, topical contaminants, road film, anything that's going to hinder your vision of the road ahead.
You know, you don't think of glass needing deep cleaning because it's a solid surface, isn't it?
You would think so, but there's all these microscopic pits, pores, and valleys, and dirt accumulates. A glass cleaner is not strong enough. So this is a glass cleanser. It's a thick cream. It contains a glass-safe abrasive along with orange citrus cleaning agents, and it cleans much deeper than a glass cleaner would.
Smells good too, actually.
All our products smell good.
Wow.
So you simply work this in, Dennis, and you can do this by machine as well.
Oh, really? Okay.
But when you do it by hand, our total glass care kit includes a special applicator pad to really scrub it in there. And I'll tell you what, this also works great in the shower. Your glass doors that have the calcium and the lime buildup,
yeah,
really cleans them, because that's something that everyone ignores. So you work it in.
I'm surprised that comes off as well as it does.
Our entire product line, Dennis, there's no harsh solvents, there's no nasty ingredients. Everything is easy to use. That's a staple for all our products.
I mean, man, it's looking a lot better already.
It does. Now, after you clean it, you want to protect it. And that's where our glass coating comes in.
And what's that made of?
Well,
what's the magic ingredient in that?
Nanoglass ceramic particles.
Ooh, that's kind of the trendy thing right now, is all this nanotechnology, right?
It is a trendy thing because it lasts a long time. With this, you just mist it on. We have a special applicator pad developed just for this product.
Okay.
You spread it out, and what this does, Dennis, is it fills in all the pits, pores, and valleys, creating a perfectly smooth surface that is extremely hydrophobic. So it creates a water-fearing surface.
Does water pretty much sheet off of it now?
As soon as you hit about 20 miles an hour,
it's like woof.
Water just flies off, rendering the windshield wipers pretty much useless.
Check it, take them off.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't go that far, but...
Then you take a towel and you wipe off the excess.
Uh-huh.
And you want to avoid moisture for a couple hours while it cures, because the glass hardens. It forms a membrane over the windshield.
You know what's interesting is I couldn't actually see the interior before, and I thought the glass was clean. And now the interior looks great. I'm looking through the windshield.
Oh, it looks great. It's going to increase the safety during inclement weather, because water's going to hit it. And if you live up north, the snow and the ice is not going to stick.
Oh man, you gotta love that.
It'll come right off.
So this is the entire system, a 3-component system?
The total glass care system.
With all the stuff I need to put it on and do it right?
Everything.
Wow, you gotta love that. Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about this McKee's 37 Super Glass Cleaning System, or all the other great stuff McKee's 37 does, log on to McKee's37.com. So half a windshield, 2 sides, we've got a little ways to go.
The rest is for you.
Naturally.